Did you know that collagen, the protein responsible for your skin's youthful glow, strong joints, and healthy hair, starts to decline in your 20s? And while you may have heard that vitamin C or collagen powders are the key to reversing this, there's an often overlooked nutrient that's far more essential. Most people miss out on this secret weapon, and their health suffers as a result. Today, we're diving deep into how you can supercharge your own collagen production and unlock benefits you didn't even know existed. Welcome to Levitas. How does this weapon work? To truly understand this powerhouse nutrient, let's first explore how collagen forms in the body. Collagen production relies on a precise chain of biochemical reactions. Picture this. Amino acids like glycine and proline act as the building blocks, and vitamin C serves as the architect ensuring the collagen structure is strong. But here's the catch. These processes require an often underrated cofactor to function efficiently. Today's secret nutrient plays a dual role. It activates key enzymes responsible for collagen synthesis while stabilizing the collagen fibers themselves. Without it, your body struggles to convert raw materials into functional collagen. Over time, this can lead to sagging skin, brittle hair, and weakened connective tissues, like joints and ligaments. But when you supply your body with this essential nutrient, it ensures a steady supply of high-quality collagen, fortifying everything from your skin to your joints. Think of it as the fuel that powers your collagen engine. Without it, the entire system stalls. What are its benefits? While this nutrient is a cornerstone of collagen production, its influence extends far beyond that. It plays a crucial role in hundreds of biochemical processes in your body, making it indispensable for overall health. First, it supports muscle function by regulating muscle contractions and preventing cramps, which is particularly beneficial if you're physically active. Next, it's a champion for bone health. This nutrient helps activate vitamin D, which in turn enhances calcium absorption, leading to stronger bones and teeth. Additionally, it regulates energy production at a cellular level by optimizing the function of mitochondria, the energy powerhouses of your cells. And here's a surprise. It also plays a significant role in hormone regulation. By stabilizing stress hormones like cortisol, it reduces the toll that chronic stress can take on your body. From bolstering your energy levels to improving sleep quality, this nutrient is a multitasker that keeps you running like a well-oiled machine. Can it boost circulation and nutrient delivery? Good circulation is vital for delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body, and this nutrient excels in making that happen. It acts as a natural vasodilator, relaxing and widening blood vessels to improve blood flow. This process doesn't just enhance circulation, it allows vital nutrients and oxygen to reach your skin, muscles, and all organs more efficiently. In addition to improving blood flow, it plays a key role in red blood cell formation. By supporting the enzymes responsible for creating hemoglobin, it ensures your cells receive the oxygen they need to thrive. The result is a healthier glow, better endurance during workouts, and improved recovery after physical activity. If you're dealing with cold hands and feet or muscle fatigue, this nutrient could be the missing link. Its ability to optimize circulation doesn't just support collagen production, it creates an environment where your entire body can perform at its peak. How does it impact hydration? Hydration isn't just about drinking water, it's about your body's ability to retain it where it's needed most. This nutrient plays a key role by regulating electrolyte balance, ensuring that your cells stay hydrated and function properly. Think of it as a hydration manager, pulling water into your tissues and maintaining the balance needed for optimal cellular activity. This keeps your skin plump, your muscles flexible, and your energy levels stable. Without it, even the best hydration efforts can fall short, leaving you feeling tired and dehydrated. Does it improve mental health? Mental health is often overlooked when discussing nutrients, but this one plays a transformative role in your brain's well-being. First, it acts as a natural relaxant, calming the nervous system and reducing symptoms of stress and anxiety. By regulating neurotransmitters like serotonin, it promotes a sense of calm and stability, helping you feel more grounded. This nutrient also combats brain fog by supporting the energy production required for cognitive function. It ensures that your neurons, the brain's communication cells, fire efficiently, keeping your focus sharp and your memory intact. Furthermore, it has a unique ability to counteract the effects of chronic stress. High stress levels can deplete your body's reserves of this nutrient, leading to increased anxiety, disrupted sleep, and even depressive symptoms. Supplementing with it can restore balance, helping you navigate daily challenges with greater resilience. Whether you're dealing with high-pressure workdays or struggling to wind down at night, this nutrient provides the mental clarity and emotional stability you need to thrive. What's the secret weapon for collagen production? Now, it's time to reveal the secret weapon that makes all of this possible: magnesium. Often referred to as the master mineral, magnesium is the unsung hero behind optimal collagen production. By activating enzymes critical to collagen synthesis, magnesium ensures that your body can efficiently produce and maintain collagen. Beyond that, magnesium stabilizes existing collagen, preserving its strength and elasticity. It's the missing piece of the puzzle that brings collagen-building nutrients together, making it indispensable for youthful skin, resilient joints, and strong connective tissues. What are the best magnesium supplements for collagen production? To maximize magnesium's benefits, choosing the right supplement is essential. Magnesium glycinate and magnesium threonate are top choices for their superior absorption and gentle effects on the stomach, making them ideal for daily use. Another excellent option is magnesium citrate, which supports digestion and hydration alongside collagen production. When it comes to dosing, aim for 300 to 400 milligrams of magnesium daily for optimal results. Start with a lower dose if you're new to supplementation, and gradually increase it as your body adjusts. For enhanced collagen production, pair magnesium with vitamin C-rich foods or supplements to support the entire synthesis process. To incorporate magnesium into your routine, consider taking it in the evening. This timing not only aligns with your body's natural repair processes, but also promotes relaxation and better sleep quality. You can mix powdered magnesium into water or a nighttime tea for a calming bedtime ritual. With the right magnesium supplement and proper usage, you'll unlock the full potential of collagen production, transforming your skin, joints, and overall health from the inside out. In conclusion, magnesium emerges as a vital cornerstone for optimal collagen production and overall health. It acts as the master regulator, activating enzymes that synthesize collagen while stabilizing its fibers to maintain strength and elasticity. Beyond its role in collagen, magnesium supports over 300 biochemical processes, boosting muscle function, bone strength, and hormonal balance. It also improves circulation, enhancing nutrient delivery and hydration while promoting mental clarity and emotional stability. By choosing the right magnesium supplement, such as glycinate, threonate, or citrate, and pairing it with vitamin C, you can harness its full potential. This mineral is truly transformative for youthful skin, strong joints, and vibrant health. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.